If your Apple ID profile picture is not updating on your iPhone, this video will show you a quick and easy fix. Sometimes the Apple ID photo changes in settings, but doesn't sync properly across iCloud services or your iPhone regularly. First, go to your home screen and open Safari. In the search bar, type iCloud.com and sign into your Apple ID account. But on my phone, it's already signed in. If yours looks different, don't worry. Please make sure you are signed in properly before continuing. Once you're signed in, tap on your profile picture at the top right, and then select iCloud Settings. Now scroll down until you find Change Apple Account Photo and tap on it. After this, go back to your home screen and open the Photos app. Find the picture you want to use as your new Apple ID profile photo file. Now here's the important part. Press and hold the photo, then drag it up slightly, and while holding it, switch back to Safari. Drop the image directly into the Apple ID photo upload area. Once the image uploads, adjust and crop the photo the way you want. Then tap Save Changes. Now open the Settings app again and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Wait a few seconds for iCloud to sync, and your new Apple ID profile picture should appear successfully. If your Apple ID photo still isn't updating, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and signed into the correct Apple account. If this tutorial helped you fix Apple ID profile picture not updating on iPhone, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS troubleshooting tutorials.